Danes se uradno začenja nova sezona. Zjutraj smo pojedli zajtrk, sedaj smo opravili aktivacijo, potem sledi miting in seveda kosilo in potem priprava na tekmo.
Does anyone needs any motivation extra from me? European game? You need the extra motivation? I don't think so. For these kind of games, we are not tired. We don't feel any more tired. We don't feel that we are in the preseason anymore. When we feel that we are on the mood with the ball, when we feel, now is our time. Now we play. Now we make our game. I want to see anybody scared. Anyone. I want to show character, to show personality. We made a mistake. I will repair it. So, now we need to change at half time. Change at half time, no problem. 60 minutes, 70, 70. When I can't anymore, coach, I can't anymore. Another one, no problem. If you can't, it means that you gave everything. If you give everything, I am more than happy. Feeling that we are a better team. Better team not always wins, but we need to, of course, we need to show it on the pitch, but I have the feeling it doesn't matter how we finish the score because anyway we need to play next week.
Žao mi je da smo primili te golove rano i po meni nepotrebno, ali nije još posao gotovo, ali napravili smo dobar korak prema prolazu idući krug. Vidi se da ekipa ima karakter i nadam se da ćemo to pokazati ići u cijelu isto.